Welcome to my food tour here in Hoiping, China. We're going to have the famous Claypot rice dish here in Chiak Hom, China. So let's go inside and give this special dish a try. This is a place that serves great Claypot rice. A real traditional way of cooking using a fire stove. Huh? So once the water is boiling, the lady puts in a bowl of rice and then covers it with a lid. Excess water is dumped out and covered again. I'm gonna select my meats to put on the rice. So, this ham do what? Ham do lap mei fan. So once the rice is boiled for a few minutes, the ingredients are added. So I've got Chinese sausage, Chinese bacon, dried duck, and barbecue pork. While we wait for the rice to finish cooking, let's see how special meats are cooked on a wood-burning stove. I think that's wine with blood and soy sauce. More water is added. So just, she makes sure the rice is cooked all the way through. So more wood is put into the fire. Ok, được rồi. Yêu đúng rồi mà. Yêu xin. Mình đây là. Hả? Đó là ok chưa? So that's my Claypot rice right there. A little soy sauce in there, and a little oil, and some green onions. Wow, that looks good. This Claypot rice costs about $2, including soup and tea. So my favorite part of the Claypot rice is the crust, the milk. So I just flip the rice over. I got 2 big sheets of crusty rice. And sometimes I put some of the soup into the crusty rice and finish my meal. You are there with me eating the famous Claypot rice here in Chiak Hom, China. The roast spare rib, this is their specialty. So we were lucky to get this order. They were only going to give us half an order. So in this restaurant you're only allowed one plate, so we got a plate and a half. You are there with me having the best spare ribs in the world, right here in Hoiping, China. That's the best spare ribs in the world. Nai yiu zhao hiang wu. Nai yiu zhao hiang wu. So this is deep fried taro root with this is deep fried taro root with condensed milk sauce. This is stewed lotus root. This is stir-fried squid with green onions. So that's bitter melon stir-fried with black bean sauce. Bitter. This is stir-fried cauliflower with preserved pork bacon. That's
by far the best food.
steamed tofu with mushrooms and green onions. So this is a soup made with premature chicken.
放啲膠入啊，放啲個膠上呢啲啊嘛。
I don't know. So this is a delicacy here. It's
This
oh yeah,
大家好。
So that's the head. Oh yeah, because actually the head there, right there. Okay. Yeah. So this soup is kind of tasty. It's crunchy. The body of the chicken, the body of the chick is kind of crunchy,
街口。
and the body itself is kind of crunchy. And sometimes you get the skull as well, and you pick up the odd eyeball and all that.
街口。
They do a pretty good roast goose as well.
係啊。
Very delicious roast goose.
我見我唔呢樣。唔使話點樣啲發上一邊。
咁或者計啦。
This is Chinese cooking using a power steam wok. I discovered this cooking technique in Hoiping, China. The first step is to put some spare ribs and rice into a wok. This is to make the rice soup called congee, but no water is required. The liquid for the soup will be formed from the steam, and also from the drippings and juices from the cooking. A round plate with holes is placed over the wok. As the food is being steamed, the liquids and the juices will drop through the holes into the wok.
There's no water in the wok there, but they're going to steam it with this steamer. Oh, you're doing it.
Steam.
Oh, so this is a different cooking process where they steam the contents, so you end up with the liquid.
我見我唔呢樣。唔使輸。啲意咬你。
會上。
但係好打。
Okay, there you go.
準備啲發上一邊。
So you put the veggies in, and then the chicken goes on top of it.
味味應該係要多少入行。得㗎啦，得㗎啦，順落去。已經喺時間㗎啦，唔多。咦，我得計要咪都入㗎？我以前講將嘢都買嚟㗎啦。
Oh, they're going to open up and the steam. Oh, brilliant! Huh? So this is the steamed clam. So the flavors from the clams will also go into the congee in the bottom there. So all the flavors of everything will go into the bottom. So the flavor from the clams will go into the congee. So we have some clam flavor.
好或者計啦。係咪呢計咯？
Wow, look at that. Wow. It's all bubbling in there. Adds the some kind of fish. This congee with all the flavors from the meat and also the seafood and the vegetables. Oh, a nice liquid. So this is what we've been waiting for. Congee at the end of the meal, which has all the flavors of the meats, the seafood, and the vegetables. Wow.
呢個都係好味。
唔該唔該啊。
啊，呢個要盆。
No，唔要啦，得。
唔要啦。
之後唔該晒。
So there's a lot of flavor in that congee.
Hoiping, also known as Kaiping in Mandarin, is a city of many contrasts. Here you can find people selling live chickens in front of expensive jewelry stores. The food in the city is diverse too. At the top-rated Everjoint Pan Tower Hotel in Hoiping, they serve hand-pulled noodles for dim sum. This is a city famous for its tasty cuisine, all the way from high-end restaurants to street food and everything in between.
I'm here at the Pan Towers dim sum. Just watched the master making some noodles here. what the noodles look like that the master made. So there it is, hand-pulled noodles. Enjoy. So the thing about this place is the reception area. It's the size of a football field. You are there with me at the Everjoint Pan Tower Hotel here in Hoiping, China. So just walking back to Changsha after our dim sum here in Pan Towers. So here are fish. Here are some boats here. I think they're fishing boats. So they look pretty old. Just docked over here. So this is a street market here right along the alleyway. So I'm just going to go down the alley here and check out some of the places here. Oh, 嗰啲乜官啊？哦，嗰啲喺度
兩嘢啊，
辣嘅嘛？
唔辣㗎，
唔辣嘅。
係咯，我可以有個唔辣㗎。
嗰啲呢支夾係嘛？
呢隻啊係咯，呢隻。
There's the garbage patrol here. This is what the garbage patrol looks like. So this is another area that I'm walking down. It's an alleyway. So these roadside eateries, they're quite common around here in the alleys. So this is dim sum on the street here. So different varieties of dumplings. And this is like this is like sticky fried rice. This is sticky rice balls. I've never seen these before, but they're sticky rice made into balls. So ordered one of these for breakfast. You are there with me eating a sticky rice ball in an alley in Hoiping, China. So I haven't been here in Kaiping for about 3 years, and it's all of a sudden gone glitzy. Well, it looks a lot different from what it was 3 years ago. Wow. So I'm having this Wen Chao Ngao Ho, beef chow fun noodles. It's really a nice looking dish. It's got vegetables, beef, and some nice noodles in there. And I'm also having some special Chinese tea, which is good for when you eat too much fried food or when you drink too much, and it actually cools the body. It's called liang cha, cooling tea. So I'm having this at it's a restaurant right in the alley here. I pass here all the time. I've been here before, and it's actually right inside the alley here, which you can actually see right here. These are the waffle balls. They come in 3 flavors: vanilla, chocolate, and green tea. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.
If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.